opel van ito guys na vivaro. And then ang problema nito, naka-jumper na ito, tapos ayaw pa rin mag start, no? Ayaw magredondo. Ang dahilan, yung kanyang starter motor, as you can see, it's on the very difficult situation there. Take it down from the top or on the bottom. There's no way. So we will do the best thing to do is from the top, get from the top. Like this thing here. So get from here. Nag-seize po yung kanyang Vindex drive, itong starter motor na ito, kaya ayaw niya mag-redondo, no? So bad starter motor. So we're gonna change it. Mapapalaban tayo sa starter motor na ito. So yung kanyang Vindex drive ng starter motor, no, nag-seize. So ayaw niya mag-redondo. Naka-jumper na siya, ayaw pa din. So mapalaban tayo, like dito na tayo siya kukunin. Yung airbox na to, we'll see under. Pag sa ilalim kasi ang dami pang tatanggalin. Mas okay siya pag sa taas. This is how you gonna replace the starter motor on a opel vivaro. Everything has to come off on the front simply because the starter motor is literally at the back. So this is how it is. Replace everything, move everything. It is what it is. In order that we won't lose coolant, just swing around that. We just remove the cooling pan. So we have more access with this, to this just whack the radiator and do not disconnect everything from the pipes, coolant pipes, so you will not lose coolant. Just make it into that, and then we're gonna clean some of the contacts for the starter motor. bending drive. It seems no, it's not moving anymore. It's not even if put the jumper on, still the engine doesn't turn over because the index drive on the starter motor sees the reason for this. did your job. That's good.
Yeah, I know. Look, there's one more thing.
Yeah.
The gear, I don't know whether it's the gear selector or the gears. Will you have a look at it and tell me if it's the gearbox?
What do you mean?
It's like sometimes when you might not get the gear, sometimes it's second or sometimes it's hard to get a gear.
Hard to get.
Yeah.
That's a fucking clutch kit.
Yeah,
Needs
bad.
clutch. Like maybe the clutch is 20% to life.
Would you try it really quickly before you leave and just see what
Yeah.
and tell me what part it needs and you fix it from your
Just start it in, yeah. Okay, and then top up the coolant, yeah?
No, that could out itself.
Huh?
That's not itself.
No, just keep going because it has
No fuel, is it?
fuel supply. You just start again.
Sorry, yeah.
Rev. When you start to rev.